Bonjour, this is Learn French with Frida, and today we will be learning about my family in French. My family is ma famille, so we will be doing the first part. Ma famille, la première partie. These are members of a nuclear family that has father, mother, and children. So we will learn about the names of those family members, how to use possessive pronouns, and also we will try to form sentences to introduce members of your nuclear family. Father in French is père. Please repeat after me. Père. Mother in French is mère. Mère. Brother in French is frère. Frère. And sister in French is soeur. Soeur. Let's do that again. Father, père. Mother, mère. Brother, frère. And sister, soeur. When we want to say my, like my brother, my father, in French there are three forms. We have mon for the masculine, ma for the feminine forms, and me for the plural. For example, if you want to say my father, you say mon père. Please repeat, mon père. If you want to say my mother, you say ma mère. Ma mère. If you want to say my sister, you say ma soeur. Ma soeur. And if you want to say my brother, you say mon frère. Mon frère. And if you're talking about more than one members of your family, for example, my sisters, my parents, you will use mes. For example, my parents will be mes parents. My sisters will be mes soeurs. And my brothers will be mes frères. Let's try and form a few sentences to introduce members of our nuclear family in French. If you want to say, my father is called John, you'll say, mon père s'appelle John. If you want to say, my sister is called Helen, you'll say, ma soeur s'appelle Helen. What if you want to say, my parents are Mr. and Mrs. Kamau, for example, you will say, mes parents s'appellent Monsieur et Madame Kamau. So the verb there changes because you're talking about more people, from s'appelle to s'appelle with ENT at the end. So I would like you to practice introducing members of your own nuclear family in French. Let me know the progress in the comments section. If you're facing any difficulties, let me know. If you have been successful also, let me know and I will celebrate with you. Please keep watching. The next video is the second part of Ma Famille, la deuxième partie. So we will be talking about members of an extended family. Keep watching. This is Learn French with Frida. Au revoir for now. See you in the next video.